Hey, everybody, Mark Pachetti here. And right behind me, it says, is it memorable? That's the question that you need to ask when you're writing lead copy. Copy that is meant to immediately get people to self identify with the problem you can address and potentially help solve. So, how do you do that? Now, I am going to share my screen. I think. Here we go. Now, right here is copy that I did for a B3 supplement, Niagen. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. Now, this right here is a lead. It goes all the way to see where it says begin script. Now, the lead is meant to test different messaging, different positioning to see what really gets people to self-identify and then get them into the heart of the copy. So what lead is going to generate the most interest? You have to write multiple leads. I'll write at least 3, sometimes 10, especially when I'm on a gig long term. I need to see what is really going to get people to relate, to feel the emotion, to see themselves in the copy. So here's the opening. Science proves rapid premature aging is finally a choice. Now, from a branding perspective, this company is, I positioned it in the premature rapid aging market. What does that mean? When you're deficient in certain nutrients, your body ages rapidly. If you can replenish those nutrients, you can slow it down. You can help the body tap back into its innate intelligence and age the way that it's designed to age, when you are replete in the essential vitamins and nutrients that make it possible. So that gets into this conversation. Our bodies have an innate built-in anti-aging intelligence, and your energy metabolism, which takes place inside of your cells, is ground zero in where aging can happen the fastest, most suddenly, and most dramatically. That's the mitochondria, which I get into later. You have thousands of mitochondria in your trillions of cells. What happens when those mitochondria shut down? What happens when the cells with the damaged mitochondria don't take themselves out of circulation and divide and become more plentiful than your healthy cells? That's aging on such a specific level with all kinds of amazing science to back it up. Now, each lead is going to take a variance of this messaging and sometimes totally different messaging to see what gets them into the conversation, right? So if you can't get people into the conversation, what are you doing? You're talking to yourself. I call it inert. It's a bomb that doesn't blow up. It doesn't do anything. It might look really cool, like the copy might read really well, and you might be super excited about it, but if it doesn't get people to self-identify, it's inert. It's a bomb that doesn't blow up. So how many leads do you need to write and test to see what really gets people into the heart of the messaging, the heart of the copy? And each section, when I write VSLs, are broken down into elements. So when I get data, I can look at each element and see how it needs to be optimized in order to get to that scalable level. But you have to get people into the conversation. Remember, a line of copy, a headline, only exists to get you to read or listen to that first line of copy. And that only exists to get you to the next line of copy. So this isn't about you. This is about what is effective, what connects, what is going to get people to self-identify, to relate, to see themselves in a problem, so the solution matters. And it's our work, it's our job to help them self-identify and relate so that the copy means something to them. The messaging means something to them. Otherwise, the solution means nothing to them. Make sense? Is it memorable? Does it get underneath the skin of your ideal prospect? Yes or no? Results don't lie, but they're always giving you ample opportunity to adjust and keep moving forward. I hope this helps. Thanks, everybody.